Thanks for listening, guys. Thank you so much.